Good morning, everyone. I'm Paul J from Crypto Traders Arena. You're watching Daily Crypto Plan. Well, today it's June 12th, big day with important news. Preferably, we'll stay mostly on the sidelines. I hope everything is nice and clean on the YouTube page. Morning, Shogun. Morning. Audio and video, everything is nice and clean. Okay, so I think the best for us is just to start with Bitcoin on daily chart. I think that's our best overview. Okay, so we are still in the short from 78.6. We updated the stop loss here at this level, nice and clean for the moment. I don't think we should do anything else on this trade on 4-hour daily chart. Some people said, I was discussing with Mr. Johnson, that this YAM is not confirmed yet. Well, in my book, seems like it's we traded below the middle of the YAM, the neckline, so I consider it valid in my perspective. But that doesn't mean I'll market sell here. No. Even if we have a daily YAM, we should think about a bounce, and then a bounce in this area, and then to think short. It's just too much window of risk for us to take this trade. 67 and stop loss all the way at 72. Well, $5,000, not on my book, not on my taste. Let's just call it that way. So for the moment, here I don't think it's anything we should do. Keep in mind that we have news. Maybe on lower time frame we can scalp a little bit, but extra careful even with that. Today, it's best just to stay on the sidelines. Actually, smart traders, I said it multiple times, smart traders, they are not trading this week. I'm just a stupid trader trying to make money this week, and I don't know if I will succeed. But because we have the community, when we are live streaming, we are trying to teach some people some nice things. Yeah, let's be careful and try to frame some setups. So here, not too many things we can do. We have bearish divergence here. It's confirmed on RSI and on MACD, on OBV, sorry. So if you take this high and this one, and we confirm here, well, if you look at the price action, you can see this is slightly higher high, just a hair above the other one. So technically, we have bearish divergence on RSI, we have bearish divergence on OBV. So location, in my book, location, indicator confirmation, a nice big fat M. Well, the trade is there. Like I said, I don't think it's a good idea to take $5,000 window of risk. Okay, that's Bitcoin on daily. Let's see 4-hour chart. Maybe we can see something different. Now you can see we took the liquidity here. We discussed yesterday this one. Good morning, Ken. We discussed this one in the New York session. We said that we'll probably dump to take the liquidity here. And you can see, took this one. We still have some liquidity below. So we can dump even more. If we are thinking long reload zone, well, 62,500 is the level we should watch. Not the case for the moment. Let's see what will happen today. And you know, in the news, I don't think it's a good idea to be in any trade. If you are a position trader, if you have investments, if you have what it's below 4 hours, no. Indicators, same bearish divergence here, same bearish divergence here on OBV. It's similar on daily and 4-hour chart. What will happen here? Well, we had a dead cat bounce here. After we took the liquidity, we bounced. That means we are bullish now. We don't have a W, we don't have anything, just a dead cat bounce overnight. And I think we can continue lower, slowly, bleeding down. I'll be happy to see the market push back up at 69. That will be really nice. That will give me a new opportunity to short. But I don't see it for the moment. Okay, let's go back on daily and let's see Ethereum. Well, on daily you can see we are still on higher time frame. On daily and weekly chart we are still in the short reload zone. We have some EMs, clear EMs on Ethereum. Nobody could say that didn't have the opportunity to short here. So you have a good location. I'm trying to show all the members the general setup. So you have location here. Okay, after that you have some bearish divergence. You can see it here, it's clear. And then you have the M. Well, you didn't took the M because you didn't had time or you're not sharp enough. Okay, but you can take the retest here. That was your trade. Keep in mind, long reload zone is all the way down here, and if you look for confluence in the long reload zone, you will see that at sweet spot close to 78.6 you have some confluence. So you definitely have a 2 or even a 3 to 1 until the long reload zone. Morning, Bova. Morning, Stefan. Good morning, Alex. Good morning, everyone, actually, because I don't see exactly in the message. Well, now I don't see a trade here. I'll be honest, it's a bit too late to short and it's a bit too early to long. On daily chart, nothing to do. On 4-hour chart, well, no, still not a good idea. If you remember, we discussed 2 or 3 days ago about this 3-bar fractal, and we said, well, this is good enough for me to take a trade. And you can see 5 to 1 almost. Hit more than 5 to 1, but let's just call it 5 to 1, and trade is done. You should take 50% off and trade the rest. Well, it's up to you. Especially if you are thinking that the Ethereum will go deeper in $3,200 in the long reload zone, yeah, you should keep 50%. And if you draw the highest levels, you know, we didn't touch this level yet, so I'll probably touch it. And you can see, now the next highest level, it's below 78.6. Has some confluences here. Look left, a lot of fighting here at $3,000, big fat round number. Will happen, will go so low? Well, I don't know. We'll see what will happen tomorrow after the news. But even on 4-hour chart, I don't see anything special. You can see no bullish divergence at the moment, nothing to do here on Ethereum. Too early to long, too late to short. Let's see Bitcoin dominance, and I prefer daily here. I don't think we should stay on lower time frame for the moment. Well, swing high, swing low, back in the short reload zone. The problem is, if we'll accept above this level, will be an ugly, not textbook, but you can see the W here and big W forming here. You don't want, if you are bullish on altcoins, you don't want to see Bitcoin dominance above short reload zone, above 78.6. Yeah, especially about 57%. You don't want to see that. Indicators. Well, you can see here we had bullish divergence here on this inverse head and shoulder on 4-hour chart. Same W's on OBV, so the signs are there. Let's wait, let's hope, and let's wait for a YAM here in a short reload zone or a bit above. If the YAM will come below 57, well, then we can have a chance for something on altcoins. Okay, that's on daily. Let's see 4-hour chart, just a little bit, just to see what we have. Well, we have a rejection again from 61.8 here. Retesting the YAM, but we don't have an YAM yet on Bitcoin dominance. We have some bearish divergence. That's good on RSI. That is telling us that maybe we have a chance. I don't see OBV pushing to new highs. Same idea. So we have a chance for an YAM here. But again, extra careful because today we have really big and important news. I'll probably say 10 times in this live stream about the news. Okay, that's Bitcoin dominance. Now back on daily. Let's see Ethereum versus Bitcoin. Well, we discussed too many times this one, and everyone knows this one. Yeah, a big pattern here. We reached the short reload zone here with bearish divergence. We aimed out. We are going back down in the long reload zone probably. What will happen here? This 78.6 and Wyckoff check, the retesting of the W will hold. I'll be honest, I don't know if it will hold. I don't think that level will hold forever. Not that for the moment. Yeah, we can bounce and go back in the middle. We'll bounce from that level, that's for sure, or most probably. But if this is the bottom and we'll hold this level, no. I think we need to go deeper in the long reload zone. For a real bull market, I'll go on a weekly chart. So, for me to be extra bullish and thinking, okay, Ethereum versus Bitcoin, I need to see the price in the long reload zone. Look left and you'll understand me why I'm saying that. And on weekly chart is still a downtrend. Lower highs and lower lows. Let's not kid ourselves. We are testing the lower part of the range. Big range. I was speaking about this range from 2022, 2021. And I don't think we'll go anywhere on the long run without at least testing 61.8 or at least forming a double in the long reload zone. It's just my 2 cents about Ethereum versus Bitcoin. Okay, back on daily. Let's see DXY. Well, AB equals CD completed. Now we are retesting again 105.5. It's just ranging for the moment. Ugly things could happen today, especially close to the news. So, I don't know about you, but I'll say it again. Don't trade in the news. Stay on the sidelines. Okay, Bitcoin on a weekly chart, because we are doing that every day. Well, on weekly it still looks strong. We are in the short reload zone. We can form a 3-bar fractal top again, double, triple top, call it whatever you want, but still strong. We have some weakness in daily. We have some weakness in 4-hour chart, but on weekly chart to call it something. Well, okay, we'll go down. We need at least a 3-bar fractal top here. Yeah, so we have some bearish divergence on the line chart. Okay, you can see it. Indicators are going back from overbought. Show me a 3-bar fractal. I'll prefer an EM there, but it will take a long time to show me an EM. But it's possible. For the moment on weekly chart, we are waiting to see how this candle will close, and next week maybe we can form a 3-bar fractal top. But overall, same idea. 2024 is buy the dip here. Pretty simple. And you can see here, Bitcoin is holding, but if you look at total, well, he's holding, but here I could see an EM on 4 days, 1 day chart, definitely. So, look at this one. EMing out and it's confirmed. That's why I even consider that EM on a daily chart on Bitcoin confirmed. Look at total and look at total too. Yeah, look at the DCMs. They are already playing out. We'll see what will happen. Well, that's the overview. We spoke about 12 minutes about the overview, even if it's nothing new. Let's see what we have on day trading part. But before that, I'll show you again this one. Yeah? Keep in mind, in the New York session, we should stay on the sidelines. Yeah? That's the day where you should stay on the sidelines. Don't trade. Don't try to outsmart the market. An ugly slippage could destroy your account if you're a day trader. Even if you have stop loss. You can lose an account in the news. Don't do it. And I'm not telling you from books. Okay, let's go back on the charts here. Well, I have a scalp here. Kind of scalp day trade, you know what, I posted on premium. With Holy Grail, I'm trying to short Bitcoin here. I shorted Bitcoin here. The idea is that the Holy Grail broke down, broke the trend here, but I'm still short. So if will stop me out, so be it, next bus. I'm used to Holy Grail give me multiple stop losses in a row. but it compensates with a high risk to reward when I'm winning. So I'm short here on scalping day trading level. Let's keep it on 1 hour chart and let's play around a little bit. Let's hide this one. So here on Bitcoin, I don't see a clear W to think higher. Yeah, okay, we had a dead cat bounce. I could see here on lower time frame, on 50-minute chart, I could see a bullish divergence and everything else, but I don't think it's a good idea to do anything. Yeah, we are in the long reload zone, but we should wait a little bit more. I just don't see it. Ethereum. Well, on Ethereum on 1 hour chart, you can see even a bit better. Bullish divergence on MACD, bullish divergence on RSI, nothing on OBV, just a nice W. But you want to take a trade here, a long here on Ethereum? No, for me it's not a good level. Yeah, we have an AB equals CD. We completed that one. Sorry, just a little bit to draw the correct fib. We completed the AB equals CD, but I don't have a good location. And look at this one. Needs a good retest here at 3,200. How will happen, if will happen, I don't know. But I don't want to trade, to take a long here. I just don't want to do it. Well, Solana, 4 hour chart. Similar idea. Yeah? Similar idea. You can see an LJ is forming here. The W is there. You want to take it? It's up to you. I prefer not to. I will go on 4 hour chart. And I think even if you want to trade today, stay on 4 hour chart. It's safer. BNB. Well, if we'll push back in the long reload zone and will give me a W maybe. For the moment, no. Nice move here. Nice fake out. Nice head and shoulder pattern here at the all-time high. Who managed to short this one? We had a good retest here. I'll be honest. I didn't do it and I prefer not to do that on BNB. But the trade was there. Yeah? We had bearish divergence. We had everything we needed here. Doge. Well, we traded a W here. That failed. And I don't see an opportunity for the moment. The long reload zone is a lot lower. Below 12 cents. So no. FET. Same idea. Maybe power of 3 I marked here on the chart. But we need a reclaim. Until then, no. Matic. No, it's just a range here in the long reload zone, but will probably test the lows even deeper. Dimension, well, Dimension, same kind of idea. It's going down and until we'll form a nice and clear W on 4 hour daily chart, I'm not even thinking of touching it. Alt, no. Joe is breaking down, no, I'm not touching it. I don't see setups. Look at Pixel. Well, Pixel, if you form a W here, maybe. But on this one, you want to play something like this, if will be the case. Yeah? W, the other side of the trend line, and you have a setup. Manta, no. It's going, testing the lows. You don't want to be there without a clear setup. Same idea here, testing the lows. Let's see, a power of 3 is possible. You can see it's bouncing here. Not a power of 3. I'll wait either for an LJ here on this trend line, either for a clear W here at exactly at this line, testing the low. Well, Jupiter, no, I'm not touching this one. It's in the long reload zone here from this bounce, but if you zoom out, well, you don't want to be. You don't want to be in this market for the moment. Aevo, well, is testing the lows, price discovery. And I told multiple times to multiple people, don't be too aggressive hunting new shiny things. Well, launched here, push up, look at what's happening now. And has room to go lower. From 68 cents to 1 cent or even lower. Has a lot of room to play. Well, I took a trade here on this one, not on 4 hour chart. I want to see on 4 hour chart my thinking. Yeah. Trend line, okay, we're above the long reload zone. That's not good, but it is what it is. And if I'll go on 1 hour chart, you can see the clear LJ here. Valid trend line, well respected, and this is first W, the other side of the trend line. Pretty nice and clean. we are in this one on our challenge. I think it's a good proxy for a long here. If we'll fail, well, next bus, it's 1% risk, nothing more than that. But we are in this one, and let's hope that will give us a nice profit. I'll be extra careful how to move my stop to scratch, and I'll post on $500 challenge channel. So I'll post there if it's something new. Okay, so we have a trade in the market. You can see bullish divergence here, some W's here, acceptable. That's confluence for an LJ. LJ needs three things: trend line, a valid trend line, price, the other side of the trend line, yeah, and then first W. And that's first W, the other side of the trend line. Good morning, Robert. Well, guys, any requests for today? I know you are regulars. You know not to trade today. Don't be aggressive today. Wait on the sidelines. You know that. But if you have any requests, even on higher time frame, I'll gladly take a look. We still have 9-10 minutes until we'll start the YouTube, until we'll start the live stream on VIP. Let's see Discord. What we have on Discord? Well, quiet, really quiet on Discord. Not too many people are asking anything. For new people, well, if you want to join us on Discord, you can find the link in the description, and you can see here on Start Here channel, you can see everything we have, almost everything. Yeah, on categories you can see free, premium, VIP, and education programs. I really recommend everyone Capua 1. You need Capua 1 to be profitable. You cannot be a day trader without being a profitable swing trader first. Yeah, Stefan, you can have a request. Why not? About a chart, a request, nothing else. So, let's not be too aggressive here, hunting setups. You can see Bitcoin has that, yeah, not the textbook one. It's one hair here, this high, it's higher than the other one. Bearish divergence. In the news, we can finish the day all the way down here at 62, maybe even lower. So I'm not saying it's probable, but it's damn possible. So not a good idea to do anything. Well, guys, let's keep it short. Below 30 minutes is always the best. See you tomorrow with the same video. If you are a general member, if you are a premium member, see you in the New York session. And with VIP guys, we'll meet in, I don't know, 5-10 minutes. So, Stefan didn't put his request. Well, you're not able to do it anymore, Stefan. Guys, I'll repeat. We are joking, but I'll repeat. Don't play around in the news. I saw it multiple times. I saw it on multiple people, including me, losing a lot of money in the news. Don't do it. Just stay on the sidelines. I hate sad stories. Well, I didn't listen, and I put a trade, and the slippage was so great, I didn't believe it. Took me 30% of my account. Don't do it. Just don't do it. It's that simple. Okay. That being said, let's call it a live stream. See you guys later. Bye bye.